Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this series, we are looking into different aspects of how to build a model and how can we tune the model and generate some C code out of it, and what are the different considerations are being considered when you are going to design something, a kind of model based approach. So in the last tutorial we have seen the development of the plant model. Subsequently we have created a controller model for the same, and in this tutorial we will see what is algebraic loop. Basically the concept of algebraic loop we will see in this particular tutorial. So let's get started with the implementation. So as you can see, we have designed the model properly, and now if we want to simulate this particular model, then we are getting a algebraic loop error over here. So what basically a algebraic loop means? So over this model, when you want to try to simulate the model, initially you will not have the distance that is available from this particular block. And this model, which is the controller model, needs some input from this distance. If the distance is not known, then it will enter into an error. And in such a scenario, we expect that there should be the distance available to make this calculation for the brake and the acceleration. But in this design, we do not have that particular feature implemented. So let's solve it using a unit delay block in this particular model. So let's see what actually happening once we add a unit delay block in this particular model. So let's add a unit delay block in this particular model. So by clicking on the canvas, you can type unit delay and the block will be there. So you need to connect this block, and now if you try to simulate, then this particular model is working fine. So here the current distance that is you are receiving is 10 meter from the plant model, and this distance is going over here, and the controller model is able to calculate now, and it will be able to send the inputs to the plant model, and the calculation will happen. So this is how you can solve any algebraic loop by using a unit delay. What this unit delay is doing, initially it is sending at the beginning of the simulation a value of 0, and then in the next sample time it is sending a value of 10. So the initial calculation will have a distance of 0, and the next sample time it is having a distance of 10. So that way it is able to solve the calculation using a default value of 0, and it is able to calculate the brake and acceleration, and that is how it is solving the algebraic loop problem in this particular model. In case you are liking our channel, please consider subscribing for the latest updated videos in our channel. In case you have any comment or query or any suggestion, please share it in the comment box so that we can improve your experience of learning MATLAB in this channel. Stay connected and have a good day. Happy learning MATLAB.